Go, Yazan. Thank you. Okay, guys, again, good afternoon. Today, inshallah, we'll continue lesson 3, page 529, theoretical probability. Yesterday, we said probability of event equal, it's a fraction, guys. The numerator is the number of the event elements, let's say, and down here, the total number of elements for the sample space. And the sample space, we said it is the all output of any experiment, And we did, I think, example 1. We did example 1 for the word mathematics and the check, right? For the word mathematics and the check. Now, let's go to example 2 together. Let's go to example 2, page 532. But before we start, guys, if you have any questions, you can ask me before we start. Any questions? Any questions for anything before, okay? Okay, Walid.
No, Mister, I want to tell you that I want to answer.
Thank you, Walid. Do you understand everything?
Yes, Mister.
Okay.
Question example 2, page 523, 32.
Good. Read example 2, yeah, Walid. Yalla. We are on example 2, guys, page 532. Yalla, read.
It discuss R mark 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Such
Wait. So we said, guys, here we need to imagine a bag, right? So here we have bag, and inside this bag we have 8 discs. 8 discs, and the discs are marked as 3, disc number 3, disc number 4, disc number 5, 6, 7, 8, and what? 9 and 10.
9, 10.
So we have 8 discs. Each disc has a number. 3, disc عليه number 3, had عليه number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, continue.
Such that each disc is marked with exactly one of these number. A
Good. Means no 2 discs have the same number. Means no 2 discs have the same number. Each one disc has its own number. Disc number 3, disc number 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Continue.
A disc is selected from the bag at random.
Now we want to select one disc from this bag at random. Random, don't forget this word. Random means without C. We just close our eyes and put our hand inside this bag and select one disc. Continue.
What is the theoretical probability?
No, back. Theoretical.
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 خلاص عدي يلا. أيوة.
Probability of selecting a disk marked with a prime number on it.
So we want to select what is the probability. Now we want to find the probability. P, this number which we want to select, guys, should be prime number. Prime number. P over prime. شو يعني P over prime? P probability. And this is the event which we want from the question. P over prime. What is the probability to select a disk with a prime number? Mr. Walid, do you know what's the meaning of a prime?
Yes.
What is the prime? The
like
prime number, do you know?
like 3, 5,
Uh-huh.
7.
3, 5, 7. Good. Why 3 is a prime?
What?
Hmm. Why
Because
3 is a prime?
we can't like 4 2 plus 2 equal 4. Here we can't
No, 2
abuse.
multiply 2. Wait. Because the prime, guys, it only has 2 factors. If you remember, 3 multiply 1 only. 5 multiply 1 only. 7 multiply 1 only. But the 9, it is not a prime. Why? Because it has 9 by 1 and the 3 by 3. We took that. The 9, we call it composite, remember? And for example, the 8, it has 2 by 4. It has 8 by 1. Like 12, it has 2 by 6, 3 by 4, 12 by 1. These numbers, 12, 8, 9, they are not primes, they are composite. But these numbers here, they are a prime. It has only 2 factors, the number itself and 1. So this is, what's the prime? Now, how many primes we have here, yeah, Mr.? Is the 3 prime?
Yes.
Is 4 a prime?
No.
So 3 is a prime. 4 is not a prime. 5,
Prime.
prime. 6,
Not prime.
not a prime. 7,
Prime.
prime. 8,
Not prime.
9,
Not prime.
10.
Not prime.
So we have 3 primes here. The question asks us to find the probability to have a prime number. So here we said P of event, the number of the event over the whole number of the sample space. First, what is the whole number of the sample space? How many elements in the sample space?
8, Mister.
8.
8.
We have 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But how many primes we have?
3.
3. So probability to have a prime disk is a 3 over 8. That's for sure. The 3 over 8, guys, we can make it as percent and as decimal. To make it as percent, use your calculator. Make it 3 divided by 8.
8.
Not 8 divided by 3. Irhamuni.
3 divided
3
8.
over 8, it's a 3 divided by 8, not 8 divided by 3, okay? So 3 divided by 8, if you use your calculator, I will use it here with me. 3 divided by 8 is 0.375.
Yes, I see.
0.375. So here I can express it as a decimal by division, 0.375. Okay? Sorry. Here I divided it in calculator, it's 0.375. Now, if I want it as decimal, as percent, multiply the decimal by
100.
what?
100.
By 100. So this answer, I will multiply it with 100. It will be,
Mister,
it will be,
37.5.
it will be 37.5%. 37.5 and add the percent sign. This is, I express it as a fraction, I express it as decimal, I express it as percent. Now in the exam, guys, in the exam, what you will do, you will find the probability, then you will see the answers. It's multiple choice, you will see the answers. If the answer is given as a fraction form, you will select the fraction. As decimal form, you will select the decimal. As percent form, you'll select the percent. It's easy to choose the answer, okay? So here, this is example 2, page 532. Let's go to the check. After this example, we have check, and you'll do it with me in your book, please. Let's see the check, guys, page, on the same page of this example, 532. Abdullah.
Yes, Mister.
Read, Ya Abdullah. Check page 532. Read.
A number cube with sides labeled 1 to 6 is rolled. Which is the theoretical probability for rolling a number less than 6 in simplest form?
Good. A number cube, Ya Abdullah. Number cube. You know the dice, Hajar al-Nard?
Yes.
Good. If we roll this number cube, what are the possibilities that you will have?
We will have 1,
1,
3,
2,
4,
3,
5,
4,
and 6.
5, or 6. في غيرهم?
No.
The question said a number cube labeled from 1 to 6 is rolled one time. So I will take this number cube and roll it. These are the possibilities. What we call this, guys? We call it sample space. Don't forget this word, sample space. The sample space is all the possibilities or all the results for the experiment. Got it, Ya Abdullah?
Yes.
Now the question wants us to find the probability of having a number less than 6. Sheikh?
Yes.
So P of, look here guys, how I'll make my wanted. P of less than
6.
6. Like here, the question wants us a prime. So P of a prime, probability of having a prime. Here, the question wants us to have a number less than 6. So P of less than 6. The probability to have a number, the probability of is the number of how many elements in the sample space we have? The whole number of the sample space.
6.
6. So down 6. Up, what you will count here?
The less than 6.
The numbers less than 6. How many numbers we have?
5.
5. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is 5 over what? 6. Now go back to the question and read here at the last. They said
In
in
simplest form.
simplest form. This fraction, can we make simplest form for it?
No.
This fraction is already what, guys? It is already simplified. No simplest form for it. But we can turn it decimal and we can turn it to percent, right? Now, so this answer is enough. No need to make it decimal, no need to make it percent. Got it?
Yes.
Which one of them now? The answer.
D, 5 over 6.
D is the answer. You understand it, Yabni?
Yes.
Do you understand this example?
Yes.
Do you have any questions or things you don't understand?
No, thank you, Mr.
Goodbye. This is the check, guys, page 532. And please, guys, don't just select D. يعني اعمل هذه right عشان تفهم بس. This is page 532. Let's see example 3 together. Example 3. إياد.
Yes, Mr.
يلا إياد. Example 3. روح.
Okay. Raphael is going to ride a roller coaster choosing at random and wants to find the probability of choosing a roller coaster with a height less than 250 feet.
Again بالله شوي شوي.
Okay. Raphael is going to ride a roller coaster choosing at random and wants to find the probability of choosing a roller coaster with a height less than 250 feet.
Good. He wants to ride a coaster with a height less than how much?
250 feet.
250 feet, right?
Yes.
But look here.
Yes, I'm looking.
We have the coaster and the height, right?
Yes.
The first one, أول شيء, how many coasters we have?
8.
8. So we have 8 choices, right?
Yes.
So the number of the sample space, the sample space is how much?
8.
8. Number of the sample space, the whole choices we have, all choices we have is 8. The question coaster with a height less than 50. How many coasters that we have less than 250 feet? How much? First one, is it less than?
No.
It is 345. The second one,
No.
no. The third one,
Yes.
1. This is the first one. But then this is the second one. Then no,
No.
no, no, yes. So how many coasters with height less than 250? How many? 3.
3.
We
3.
have a 3. So the all choices for the sample space is 8. The wanted probability is how many?
3.
3. Do you understand the idea here? Go and read the question again. Down here. What is
the probability of the complement of the event?
best? They don't want us to find the probability of the event. They want us to find the probability of the complement event. Complement event. Now, what's the complement event? I will stop here, guys, a little bit, then I will back. Just, it's very important idea. It's very important one. And please, guys, try to understand it. It's easy one. It's easy one. Now, complement event, guys. For example, look here. Look here. خليك معي. For example, if we have this bag with numbers 2, 7, 9, 3, 8, or 10. Hello? I want B of prime. What are the primes? The 2, the 7, or the 3?
3.
Check.
Yes.
So we have a 3 prime over how many choices? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Yes.
6. But I will add another number here. 11. Is 11 prime?
Yes.
It will be 4 over how many
Over
choices
7.
we have? 1, 2,
7.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, right?
Yes.
Look here, guys. Probability of the prime in this example is 4 over 7. Probability, ركزوا معي, of the complement. Complement, it is not the complementary angles. This is different. Probability of the complement, guys, equals 1 minus probability of the event itself. 1, 1 minus the probability of the event. So if the prime is 4 over 7, the probability of the complement is 1 minus probability of the prime, how much?
4 over 7.
4 over 7. Now 1 minus 4 over 7, you put here over 1, multiply by 7 up and down, it will be 3 over what?
7.
7. Which are the others? The rest. 1, 2, 3. 3 over 7 is the complement. Got it?
Yes.
Good. If you add, guys, look here. If you add the probability of the event and it is complement, the probability of the event and it is complement, it will be 4 over 7 plus 3 over 7, 7 over 7, which is 1. Got it? So,
Yes.
to find the probability of the complement, you need to find the probability of the event first, then subtract. Do you understand?
Yes.
Now, here the question wants us to find the probability of the complement event. But what's the event itself? It is less than 250, right?
Yes.
So here, let's find first the probability of the event. How much? Number of the event, how much? 3. Over the whole, how much?
3/8.
3/8. But the question doesn't want the probability of the event. The question wants the
Complement.
probability of the
Complement event.
complement, which is
1
1
minus 3/8.
minus the probability of the event, which is a 3/8, equals here 1/1 times 8 up and down. It will be 5 over what?
8.
Over 8. And if you go to the table,
5 more than 250.
if you go to the table, guys, we count 3 less than 250, right?
Yes, and 5 more than
The
250.
others, the left or the rest of them, how much? 5/8.
Yes.
5/8. I'll give you extra example for the complement. I'll give you extra example for the complement, guys. Please focus. I will ask you about this idea in your next exam. I'll ask you, I promise you. I promise you, guys. Do you have time, Yabni?
I don't.
Do you have time, guys?
Maybe 2 or 3 minutes.
Example.
Maybe 2 or
Example
3
from me.
minutes.
This example from me, okay?
Okay.
Focus.
Okay.
Yalla, let's do this example and try to copy it, guys. Try to copy it. I like this idea. So, if P of event is equal to 7/11, I gave you the probability. Find the complement probability. Now, the probability of the event given 7/10. I want the complement, the total choices, 11. One of them is the event. ايش الباقي من ال 11?
4.
4. So it's 4/11. But probability of the complement, P of complement, as we set down,
1
it
minus
is
7
1,
or 11.
1, دايما 1 minus P of the event itself equals 1 minus 7/11. This is over 1 times 11 times 11 fraction, normally fractions, equals 11 minus 11/11 minus 7/11, which is 4/11. And you can find it mentally. For example, if the probability of the event 1/10, what it is complement? الباقي
9.
9/10. الباقي من 10. طب if the probability 7/21, الباقي 14, not equal, 14/21, الباقي من 21, right?
Yes.
For example, if the probability 5/9, what
Four.
is the
Four.
complement?
4/9.
4/9. You can make it mentally and you can make it by 1 minus. It's up to you.
Okay.
Right, let's go to the, I think we have 1 minute, I'm not sure. Right, we'll stop here. We'll stop here, guys, because it's 30 minutes only. So we did example 2, we did it is check, we did example 3, and I gave you extra example about the complement event. It's important idea. So we stop here. Tomorrow, inshallah, we will start with the check after example 3. Okay, guys?
Okay, Mr.
After example 3, we have check, I think, page 200 or 534. We will
Yes.
start with and finish this lesson, inshallah. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mr.
And if you have any questions, you can ask me tomorrow or contact me in Placera. Have a good day.
You too. Bye.